are you a Christmas starts in November or Christmas starts after Thanksgiving? Because my Christmas starts in November, especially this year, because last year I did not get a chance to really like decorate my home for Christmas. I had just bought my home that year, and so all my money was gone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chica and I make music, gardening, and DIY content. But this year I'm starting a whole lot earlier. I've already started decorating. I went to Michael's and Walmart just to check out some of the items that they have. I purchased some things. So in this video, I'm just gonna show you some of the things I purchased. Things that I think are good finds at Walmart and at Michael's. So I have a lot of plans for this mirror. It's not really where I want it to be, but I know I want to do like a garland. I'll put a photo of the inspiration for the mirror, and I'm just kind of testing things out right now. But I had purchased this, I believe, from Walmart last year, and then the bows are also from Walmart. I believe they were $2.93 or something. They're under $3 per bow, which I thought was a good find. I found these at Walmart, and I believe they were, they were under $8. I know that for sure, and I bought 2 of them. This I made last year for my business, which is currently on pause right now, but they're so cute. That's the cutest Christmas tree ever. Here, so this is the second piece. Like I said, this was under $8. I really like this calendar. However, when I bought it, the numbers were in a pack, and it doesn't have all the numbers. There's only 2s, 6, and 9. I think there's a 5 in this and a 0, and I was like, dang. So I thought I was gonna be able to do a countdown, but I'm not able to. But this was from Walmart as well. It was under $10. I know that. It was like 9 something. And then at Walmart, they have this outside metal stakes. This is $3.88. They had another one that was $124, I think. But these are gonna go outside. For now, it's just here. The vase is thrifted. I initially didn't buy it for Christmas. I bought it just to have as decor, and I was gonna paint it over to a different color. But I'm gonna leave it for now in this red till after Christmas and figure out what color I want for it. I'm really, really liking my entryway table right now. I love the bows that are here. Really pretty, and I think it's just a very simple way to decorate for the holidays. Like, if you don't have a lot of money or a lot of time to decorate a space, bows are a way to go. Like, put bows on everything and it will look nice. You put bows somewhere, it will look nice. So this right here, like, even if I didn't do anything on this table, maybe I didn't have all the ornaments, like all the decorations, I feel like just the bows enough would have just really made this table, like this entry table, pop. A garland is from Michael's, and it was $19.99, but right now Michael's has a 40% off sale on their Christmas items. And so what is that? So 20, 60, about $12 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know how to do math like that, but this was $19. I think for 40% off, it was a good deal. And then the bows, again, also from Walmart. I feel like it's really simple. All it was the gallon. I had these ornaments from last year. I don't know where I purchased the ornaments. It's either gonna be Michael's, Walmart, or the Dollar Tree. Michael's did have this gigantic bow, and I will post a video. If you check out one of my reels, like, I want that bow so bad. So I might go back, but I don't know where I'm gonna put it in my space. Maybe I put it here in the front door on the other side of the door. Other things, I found this stem at Michael's. This, I think, was probably one of the more expensive items at Michael's. With the 40% off, it was discounted. The vase is thrifted from Goodwill. Also, this bigger vase, also thrifted. And then the branches are from Michael's as well. I thought I was gonna like these branches, but I do not. I do not like them. Maybe it's just like where it's placed. I don't like them, so I'm gonna figure out something to do with it. So I want this to have like an arch. I saw a video where you can use like a shower rod, like a tension rod over here, and then hang your decorations over it. So I'm gonna purchase that later on. I have this tree. It's a 6-foot tree. I haven't done much to it, as you can see. The lights are burnt out. When I put it up, half of the lights were on, and then the next day they were gone. So I need to buy lights to put on here. I ideally want a bigger tree, but I don't want to like indulge so much in spending right now. I'm gonna wait on that. So I'm not decorating my tree anytime soon, but I want to do all ribbons, like red ribbons on there and lights, and keep it really simple. I have not thought about what outside would look like yet, but I really like bought this from Walmart last year and I'm keeping it, so I'm not changing it. If you've already started Christmas shopping, Christmas decorating, let me know in the comments. Are you like Christmas is now kind of person, or Christmas is after December 1st? Whatever like you are, enjoy decorating for Christmas. It's a fun time. I hope this video was helpful in trying to figure out what to decorate your home with for Christmas. I like the stores that I go to, Michael's and Walmart. People might think Michael's is expensive, but they always have some type of sale going on. So highly recommend going to their website, checking out their coupon section, and there's always something there. I think a lot of times they always have a 25% off. And then if you have like their mobile app, I think if they have a mobile, you get additional discounts. So check out all the stores in your areas, look for their coupons, because some of the items that you might like might be cheaper than you think they are if you have a coupon. I hope you enjoyed the video, and in the comments, let me know if you are Christmas is now or Christmas is after December 1st. You already know my answer, and I'll see you in the next video.